Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this was my last day and we are going to the Bali International Airport. And why I recorded it, because I saw Bali streets and roads so clean, and just look at the architecture that's there. It was so beautiful and so different than what's found in India. So guys, enjoy the vlog. I'll tell you one interesting fact with reference to this Den Pasar or Nagore Rai International Airport is that it was used during World War II with the Japanese forces who had acquired this airport in approximate 1942, and the namesake, like the Nagore Rai International, like the Nagore Rai name has been taken from the commander who died during fighting for the World War II, and he was the main lead during the airstrikes for independence of Bali. That's why the name comes from there. Okay. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy traveling, happy dreaming. See you in the next vlog.